Welcome everyone. Let's see HTML formatting elements. Every tags we use in this session for specially applicable for text in web pages. What is formatting generally? If we change something to our appropriate usage by changing its nature. I mean changing one format to another format as per our convenience. What is formatting in HTML? Here we use tags to change the default nature of text. What HTML formatting tags do? It gives better look and feel to our web pages by formatting text. And we don't need CSS to use this formatting tags. What are all the categories in HTML formatting? They are physical tags and logical tag. Physical tag used to provide the visual appearance to the text. Logical tags used to add some logical or semantic value to the text. Logical are called idiomatic elements. Most of them are usually rendered in just a few ways. They are italic, bold and monospace. These fonts, these types are also available in physical tag. Then why we go for logical? Because we use these for some important purpose. What is that purpose? Browser and user can easily identify the purpose of the tag as by its name. If you need to indicate someone's address, you may use address tag. It can be easily understood by both the browser and the user in an appropriate manner. Some example logical tags. Strong. Yeah, it displayed text in strong. Emphasize. Made to look like by the browser italic. Span. Span means row span, column span, like that. Division. Divide the section of the web page. So we can easily identify the purpose of the tag by as its name. We don't need to search it. Physical tags used for the purpose of physical appearance of the text. When implement physical tag, it gives better look and feel for the text in a web page. Example: bold, big, small and italic. This logical tag also called semantic. Now see what is semantic and what is non-semantic. What is semantic? A semantic element clearly describes its meaning to both the browser and the developer. It seems like a logical tag. User can understand the purpose of the tag by its name, form, table and article. We can easily say form tag to create form, table tag to create table, article to create article. It clearly defines its content. We can now non-semantic elements. It's straight opposite to semantic elements. It doesn't tell about its content clearly. Tell nothing about its content. Here we have no clear idea about what that specific tag's purpose. Example: division and span. This is semantic element. Example: you can see the header, footer, navigation, section, article and aside. Let's see in practical now. In this document, I used header, footer, navigation, section, article as same as the image is shown in before. In practical, you can see here, this is a header. World Health Organization is a header. At the end, you can see the footer here. An example using division with the class instead of the new elements. This is the footer here. This is the address. Contact information is the address, and this is the image. And I used two sections here. One is WHO and another is COVID, and the heading is header. World Health Organization is the header. You can see the order here: header, footer, navigation, section, article, aside. This is the example of it. Header, footer, navigation, two sections, like that. Now see non-semantic element. I used two division tags, one for article and another one for heading. The header is my blogspot And the main content is an example using division with the classes instead of the new elements. This is my content. I used one header and one article here. The most common using HTML tags, including with logical and physical tags. They are bold, strong, italic, etc. and big, small. Okay, let's see the example now. I used bold and strong tag here, but the output we can see both output are common. There is no difference. But this is physical tag and it's logical tag. See, the italic and emphasize both are look like same, but emphasize is little bend than italic. I used small and big tag here. We can see the small tag displays small text compared to its previous text. The big tag displays big text compared to its previous text. Here I used subscript and superscript text. I gave 2 inside of the subtag, so 2 displays below compared to the previous text. Here I gave 4 inside of superscript tag, so 4 displays above compared to the previous text. These type of tags are used for formulas. Here I used delete and strike tags. You can see both tags are look like same. Let's see the difference of it. Delete text used to identify text that has been deleted from a document but retained to show the history of modifications made to the document. If I want to delete something with the people knowledge, I use delete tag. Some data will get out of date. In order to notice this to people, we use this tag. Okay, what is strike? Specifies text that is no longer correct or accurate or relevant with the people's knowledge. So you can see the difference here. What is the difference between insert and underline text? Insertion is used for underline a word in a sentence or a sentence in a paragraph. Underline for underline entire content in a heading. Example, heading. Thank you.